how to make New York style pizza. That's right, I'm from New York. I can tell you that, it's true. This is the original street food from New York. When you just walk around and you're eating a piece of za, it is so good. I'm going to show you how to make it right now, and then you can duplicate it and enjoy it even if you're not in NYC. Hey, support us on Patreon. We've got so much to share with you. All right, you've seen our pizza dough, how to make it. Now all I'm going to do is take my dough and roll it out, and I want it to fit on my peel. I put a little bit of flour on the peel, so let me just go ahead and put this down and put it right on there. And the reason I'm doing this is because I have a pizza stone in my oven. If you have a pizza stone, you have to preheat it. Some people like to just leave it in their oven because it's really good to make bread on as well, okay? So here's our dough. Now we're going to make the sauce for the dough. Let's just move this out of the way. And I'm using these San Marzano organic tomatoes. They are so wonderful. I'm not even going to have to cook the sauce, okay? All I'm going to do is put my fingers in there and then crumble it. But before I do that, I have some herbs right here. I have some oregano. So let's put some fresh oregano, okay? And then also I have here some basil. So we're going to put some fresh basil in there as well. And to do the basil, what I'd like to do is just to put it together just like that, and then roll it up like this. And I'll get my knife, and I'm just going to slice it. And we'll do it again with the rest of this basil, and we're just going to put that right into our sauce. Okay, we're going to have wonderful fresh flavors in there. It's going to come through when it cooks. It's going to be so tasty. And of course, fairly easy to do, right? Now with my oregano, I'm going to give it a little bit of a chop. Get them a little smaller pieces. And we'll put all of this right into our sauce. Then I'm going to place my fingers and I'm going to squeeze the tomato. Okay? Just squeeze them, put them in there, and make them into a happy sauce. Good. Oh, so nice. Okay, now that I've done the sauce, that's how hard it was, right? Let me go ahead and rinse off my hand, and we're going to assemble our pizza using fresh mozzarella and pepperoni. Okay, got my ladle. Take some of this wonderful tomatoes, basil, oregano, spread it around. Looking good. And a little bit more. Okay. I'm going to get it to the edges. And here we go here. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and place in there pepperonis and fresh mozzarella. Let's go ahead and share it. Get it all on there. There's this. Okay, and now we're going to add the mozzarella cheese. So we've got wonderful herbs in there, tomatoes. Man, this is a feast. Okay, let's see, I got a few more pieces. Let's put them here, one there, and like that. All right. So using my peel, I'm going to go to our oven. Our stone is heated, and now we're going to cook our pizzas right on the stone. Well, here it is, Andrew. Look at that.
That looks fantastic.
Right out of the oven.
Yes.
This is New York style pizza. Oh my goodness, we did it on pizza. Za, that's right.
Yeah.
We have a slice of za right now.
Let's do it.
I know, we got our fancy pizza cutter right here.
And you're right, they call that street food.
Street food, yes. Because you eat in the street, right? I think with pizza, you can eat anywhere you want to. Right?
You know, the reason why this pizza looks so good, those fresh San Marzano tomatoes you use.
I know, aren't they nice?
Fresh oregano, the fresh basil.
Right.
I mean, you couldn't ask for more than this.
This pizza is
beats
good.
any canned stuff.
Look at that crust. Oh my God.
Oh my God, let's try this.
Mm.
Oh man.
Good.
I want all this.
All right, I'm good with this pizza. But Lori ain't gonna let you get it all. Nope. But you guys at home can have some because we're giving you the recipe and we're showing you how to do it. And in addition to that, when you subscribe, we want to reward you. So we're gonna do what, Andrew?
Check this out. We got a special treat for you. For every 50 subscribers, we're giving away these aprons. Not the ones we're wearing with all this tomato sauce and flour on it. A brand new apron. We're going to ship it to you anywhere in the world, anywhere you live. All you have to do is tell us in the comments that you subscribe. We'll pick one out for every 50 people that subscribe. We'll contact you, get your address, and mail it to you right away. Absolutely for free. What do you think about that?
I think it's great.
Hey, we got some special guests in the background. You can't see them, but Lori, who we got in the background?
We've got our neighbor, Janice. I think she has a couple questions.
Hey, Janice, what do you got?
I want to know where Luigi is today.
Luigi? Where's Luigi?
I don't know.
Oh, there he is.
He's eating the pizza. Where is he?
He's eating pizza out of both the microwave.
He's watching us eat pizza.
Let us know in each of our videos where Luigi is. We hide him anywhere in this kitchen, but you got to find him. So put it in the comment where Luigi is and let us know, and we'll reward you again.
And Luigi's Italian, so he loves pizza.
He does love pizza, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
And who else we got in the background?
Daisy.
Ooh, look at Daisy. Daisy, let me get her for you and I'll show you. Daisy is our brand new puppy. And we just adopted her.
She's 4.
And she's 4 years old.
And she likes pizza.
And she loves pizza. Don't you, baby girl?
And she likes all of the food that we've been dropping on the floor all week. She's like, how'd I get so lucky?
She's the star of the show.
Yep.
I'm getting ready to buy her an apron and a chef's hat, and she's going to be some more of our videos.
Right.
So look some more of our videos, and you'll see Daisy in the videos. Right, Daisy?
Daisy, is our pizza simple and
I think she said
delicious?
delicious.
Did you say delicious, Daisy? Well, in the house he's gonna say
She
delicious.
loves it. See you in the next video.
Yes.